I was just reading on my Kindle and I finally finished the Happy Ever After playlist. I'm actually gonna look online because I had marked initially when I started reading it in an app that I have. And let me see. I started it September 6th, so it took me over a month to finish. It took me forever to get through that book, but it started picking up at the end, so that's why I got back into it. I cried at the end of this book. I have literally one more Abby Jimenez book left to go, and then I've read all of her books so far, except the new one that's coming out next year. The last one I have to read is Life's Too Short. As far as books that I've loved, I have loved Just for the Summer, Yours Truly, and Part of Your World. So Part of Your World is a series that she has, but the first book, I think it's the first book. I don't know. But one of the books in the Part of Your World series is called Part of Your World, and that was a really good book. So those are kind of my three favorites that I've read of hers. I plan to read this other book called Water Moon. After I read a book, sometimes I just need some time to just sit with it and kind of process what I read before hopping into a whole new story where I get very involved with the characters. I almost feel like I'm super connected to all the characters that I'm reading about when I really enjoy a book. And so it kind of takes like this emotional toll on me. It's almost as if I'm like, I know I'm reading, but it's almost like watching a rom-com. I get so invested and have to figure out what I want to read next. If I kind of want to go the romantic comedy route, if I want to go the fantasy route, if I want to read a book on my Kindle, if I want to read a physical book, because I have a couple that I haven't read yet. So we'll see. I felt like I needed to get out of my apartment because I've been chilling there all morning, just kind of hanging out, cleaning up, doing dishes, doing laundry, and all that good stuff. And I wanted to get out of there. It's interesting, like living in an apartment is great, but there's just not a lot of space. And so sometimes I feel a little cooped up and like I need more space and I need to do other things because, you know, you're in the same like 3 rooms all day. So I got dressed. It actually took me a long time to get dressed today because I just couldn't figure out what to wear. It's actually been pretty rainy for most of the day, and then all of a sudden it became sunny and now it's gray again and it's kind of wet. So I really didn't know what to wear. I just threw on a bunch of neutral colors and was like, this is good enough. And I threw on some, you know, necklaces and stuff to feel a little bit more put together for the day. And now I am just outside of Barnes & Noble. My plan is, if it's not too busy, to walk around the store a little bit and then also go to their cafe. I've been wanting to create some YouTube shorts for my channel using a lot of footage that I've captured, you know, this past, I don't know, 8, 9 months, 10 months. I just haven't sat down to do it. So I brought my laptop with me in my bag And I'm hoping to maybe create a short while I'm here. I brought my AirPods so I can just like lock in and work on it because I do want to create some more of those. So hopefully the cafe's not too busy and I can find a space. Let's go. We are at the Mima Mounds right now, walking a trail. It's an area, and I think it's a nature preserve that is past Olympia. It's like exit 95 or something like that. Olympia is our state's capital, so it's just past that. But we were walking, and there's basically these big mounds of earth. Abe was watching a YouTube video and happened to find this park here. And so we are now doing like a 2-mile walk around the mounds. The air is brisk. I think it's like, I don't know, when we left our apartment today, it was like 43 degrees outside. It is cold, but not too bad once you start walking. Somebody's actually flying a little like toy plane somewhere nearby. I can hear it and kind of see it up in the sky. Yeah, we're just doing this little nature walk this morning. It's really nice. The sun's starting to peek out from behind the clouds. And yeah, and then I think we're gonna stop in Olympia afterwards and just kind of hang out around their downtown area. Yesterday, I didn't end up vlogging too much after I went to Barnes & Noble because I was just tired. It was the end of the day. I ended up doing some LinkedIn learning courses on search engine optimization, which I haven't really looked into for my YouTube channel to figure out how to best title my videos and tag them. And so I learned a lot through that. So that was pretty cool. It wasn't something I was planning to do, but I had some time. I finished a little YouTube short, so it is on my channel now. I feel like with all of my YouTube videos, I'm trying to learn each time I post a video and create a video and just trying to get better every time. I don't know where Abe is at right now. I think I walked way past him. He was taking photos of something and I just kept walking, so I'm waiting to see if he comes around this mound. Oh, I think I see him. Okay, I might just wait here until he comes so we can walk together.
made it to the end of the trail. We ended up walking for 3 miles, which was actually much longer than we planned to. There's 2 loops on this trail. There's a short loop and then there's a longer loop. We intended to just do the long loop, but we ended up doing the short loop, not realizing where we were. And so we ended up doing both because we weren't sure and we didn't have the trail map with us. So we got in an extra mile and now I am starving and need some food. So that's on my agenda next. Also, because we came here early, it started to rain on our way here and the ground was wet. And so my shoes are wet. I really wish I would have brought my hiking boots, but I didn't. Hopefully they'll dry off in the car when we turn the heat on.
There you go. You're not winning.
Gabe thinks he's gonna win. Figure out this
No, I don't
pattern.
think anyone's gonna win.
I think he can win, but I don't know if it's a legal move or not. I guess I'd have to look in here.
It has to be 4 in a row.
Yeah. There's one way that's 4 in a row. I don't know if we can do it.
Science cards doesn't get you anything. You only win if those cards.
Oh, I can get this one because I have the stuff.
It's 3 victory points. That's all. You would want those because of the boost. Color blue is civilian, so that's a civilian.
What does that mean?
So if you see another card up here, and if you
Yeah.
2 or 3, you don't have to pay. You can do your water.
Okay.
Oh, here,